It is 6 in the morning. The house is so quiet.
The sun is just rising. It is a beautiful day.
The first thing I do is stretch my arms.
And take a deep breath. It feels good to wake up.
I am going to make a cup of warm coffee.
I need coffee too. I will help you.
The smell of coffee always makes me feel fresh.
Yes, it makes me ready for the day ahead. I love our quiet mornings together before the kids wake up.
Me too. Let's sit near the window.
So, what is your plan for today?
I will prepare some lessons and maybe take a short walk outside. Fresh air always helps me feel relaxed.
Oh, that is a great plan for a weekend.
Well, it is time to prepare breakfast.
What are we eating this morning?
Most mornings I eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
Perfect. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. I will cook the eggs today. I am the master chef.
Chef.
Thank you, chef. I will cut the fresh fruit.
I hear footsteps. I think the kids are awake.
Well, the quiet morning is officially over.
Good morning! Something smells delicious!
Good morning, Jinu.
We are making eggs and bread. I am very hungry today. I can eat 100 eggs. Breakfast gives you energy for playing, but maybe not 100. Good morning, Mom.
Is there any coffee left?
Good morning, Rumi.
Yes, I saved a little cup for you.
You are cooking the eggs today, Dad?
Yes, I am in charge of the hot food this morning. I am going to eat more eggs than you, Rumi.
Oh, we will see about that, little brother. Jinu, can you help me put the plates on the table? Yes, Mom. I am the best helper in the house.
The food is ready. Hot eggs and toast for everyone. Oh,
It looks amazing. Thank you for cooking, Dad. Here is the fresh fruit. Apples and bananas. Yay! Fruit is sweet and yummy.
If my family is awake, we always eat together.
I really enjoy these small moments with you all.
Pass the bread, please. Here. Here you go. Eat slowly, Jinu.
So, what is your plan for the day ahead, Rumi?
I need to read a book in English for my class.
Reading a book in English is a very good way to practice.
Yes, and I actually really enjoy the language. What about me? What is my plan today?
your plan is to help me in the garden later.
I love the garden. I will find big bugs. Please don't bring any bugs inside the house, Jinu.
Rumi is right. Bugs belong outside in the fresh air.
Okay. Only outdoor bugs today.
Good choice, sweetie.
I might buy some groceries this afternoon.
That is a good idea. We need vegetables, bread, and milk.
Can you buy some chocolate milk too?
I will write it on the shopping list.
Chocolate milk gives me super energy. You already have way too much energy, Jinu. This bread is very good. Did you bake it?
No, I bought it yesterday. Simple meals are the best.
Look, Dad. I finished all my eggs.
Good job, buddy. You are growing fast.
Now you need to eat your fruit, little explorer.
I am eating the banana right now. I think I will listen to music while I study today.
That sounds like a very nice and relaxed afternoon.
Music always helps me focus on my work, too.
We have the exact same habits, Mom. Can I listen to music in the garden?
You can listen to the birds singing outside. They are loud today.
The birds are the best musicians in nature.
Aw! Tweet, tweet! I am a morning bird. You are a very loud bird. Mom! I am a happy bird with a full stomach.
I love sitting here and sharing stories about the day.
It is the perfect daily routine for our family.
I am full. Thank you for the breakfast, Mom and Dad. You are welcome. Let's clean the kitchen together.
Okay, Genu, time to carry your plate to the sink.
I can carry my plate and my cup at the same time. I will wash the dishes and you can dry them.
Sounds like a good teamwork plan.
You can put the fruit bowl back in the fridge.
I am the fridge master. Leave it to me. Be careful not to drop the bowl, Genu. I am very careful. See? Perfectly safe.
Many hands make the work go fast.
Yes, the kitchen is almost clean already.
I am going to get my book and start reading now.
Enjoy your English story, Rumi.
Are we going to the garden now, Dad?
Yes, let's go put on our shoes.
Have a good study session, Rumi.
Have fun in the dirt, Dad.
We have a very busy family on the weekends.
Yes, but this morning routine keeps us all grounded.
Look outside. The sky is completely blue now.
It is going to be a beautiful day. Hurry up, Dad. The garden is waiting.
I am coming right behind you, Explorer.
They are so funny together.
They definitely share the same wild energy.
Well, I am going to open my laptop and check my emails.
And I will start chapter 1 of my book. Dad, I already found a worm.
That is a great start for the garden work.
This is exactly what a perfect morning looks like.
Peaceful, but just a little bit crazy.
I wouldn't change anything about it.
Me neither, Mom. It's our own routine. Focus time begins right now. Oh!
Yes, let's be productive.
Have a great day, everyone. A great day for our whole family.